Division of Key Facts on General Agriculture. Subject Genetics and Plant Breeding. History. Robert Hooke introduced term cell and described cork cell. C.F. Wolfe, founder of embryology. Theory of inheritance of acquired character given by Lamarck. Then Slater and Swan formulate cell theory in plant and animal. Purkinje give protoplasm. Darwin put forth the theory of natural selection. Mendel developed fundamental principle of heredity. Strasberg discovered cell division in plant and gave term cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Fleming introduced term chromatid and Fleming coined term mitosis. Simper introduced term plastid. Boveri coined term centrosome. Waldeyer coined the term chromosome. Hertwig proposed protoplasm theory of inheritance. Golgi described Golgi appearance in nerve cell. Benda discovered mitochondria in spermatozoa and other cells. Altman introduced the term nucleic acid. Correns, De Vries and Chermak rediscovered Mendel law of inheritance. Strasburger introduced term plasmodesmata. McClung identifies sex chromosome in box. Hugo de Vries coined term mutation. Sutton and Bowry proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance and identified chromosome as carrier of genetic material. Then Waldeyer proved that chromosomes are the chromosomal region with which spindle fiber become associated with it during mitosis is given by Waldeyer. Former and Murray coined term meiosis. Batson coined term genetics. Batson and Punnett discovered genetic linkage in sweet pea. Johansson coined term gene, genotype, phenotype and a pure line. Batson coined term epistasis. Then Correns report cytoplasmic inheritance in Miabilis jalapa. T.H. Morgan study crossing over and recommendation in Drosophila and coined term crossing over. Nielsen and Ehler proposed multiple factor hypothesis. Bridge put forth genetic balance theory of self-determination and discovered duplication, deletion and translocation in chromosome. Then Sturtevant discovered inversion in chromosome. Karpenchenko synthesized Raphanobrassica. Muller introduced mutation in Drosophila melanogaster by X-ray. Stadler introduced mutation in maize and barley by X-ray. મુલ્લરે ડ્રોસોફિલામાં મ્યુટેશન ઇન્ડ્યુસ કર્યું હતું એક્સરે દ્વારા અને સ્ટેડલરે મ્યુટેશન ઇન્ડ્યુસ કર્યું હતું મેઇઝ અને બાર્લીમાં એક્સરે દ્વારા. ગ્રિફિથ conduct experiment on transformation of Diplococcus pneumonia. Every Macleod and McCarthy explain significance of DNA is significance of DNA and DNA is genetic material. Then Porter described endoplasmic reticulum. McClinton discovered jumping gene in maize. Then Watson and Crick with Winklin proposed double helix model of DNA molecule. Benger described fine structure of gene, cistron, recon and muton. D. Dewey coined term lysosome. Pellade observed rhizosome in animal cell. Biddle, Totem and Liederberg put forth one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. Biddle and Totem put one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. Crick explains central dogma of molecular biology. Jacob and Monod explain genetic regular mechanism in protein and operon concept given by Jacob and Monod. Then Nirenberg and Khurana and Holle જેનેટિક કોડનું એણે કીધું અને પ્રોટીન સિન્થેસિસ વિશે ત્રણેય કીધું. Then 1972 Singer and Nicholson gave fluid mosaic of cell membrane, a polynuclear structure of chromosome aberration. Then next, a deletion or deficiency is the loss of segment of chromosome. Duplication is the repetitive segment of chromosome. while translocation is the exchange of segment between two non-homologous chromosomes resulting into new chromosome. Inversion is the change in linear order of gene by rotation of the section of a chromosome through 180 degree. Then paracentric inversion and pericentric. So paracentric inversion not involve centromere, while pericentric it involves centromere. Then change in number of chromosome, એમાં સૌથી પહેલા છે યુપ્લોઇડી. યુપ્લોઇડી એટલે વેરિએશન ઇન ધ નંબર ઇન સેટ ઓફ ક્રોમોઝોમ, અને બીજું છે યુપ્લોઇડી, અને બીજું છે એનુપ્લોઇડી. એનુપ્લોઇડી મીન્સ વેરિએશન ઇન ધ નંબર ઓફ ક્રોમોઝોમ. યુપ્લોઇડીની અંદર આવે છે સૌથી પહેલા હેપ્લોઇડ. અ સિંગલ સેટ ઓફ ક્રોમોઝોમ ઇઝ નોન એઝ હેપ્લોઇડ, એટલે એને હેપ્લોઇડી કહેવાય. જ્યારે એક સેટ હોય ક્રોમોઝોમનો ત્યારે, એટલે એ હેપ્લોઇડ. અને બીજું છે ડબલ હેપ્લોઇડ. ડબલ હેપ્લોઇડ પ્લાન્ટ આર ડેવલપ ફ્રોમ હેપ્લોઇડ બાય ડબલિંગ ધ ક્રોમોઝોમ નંબર ઓફ હેપ્લોઇડ પ્લાન્ટ બાય કોલ્ચિસિન ટ્રીટમેન્ટ, એટલે એ ડબલ હેપ્લોઇડમાં આવે. એના પછી પોલીપ્લોઇડી. પોલીપ્લોઇડી મીન્સ ધ 3 or more set of chromosome or more than 2 genome of individual is known as polyploidy. એની અંદર આવે છે ઓટોપોલીપ્લોઇડી when genome are identical, અને એલોપોલીપ્લોઇડી when 2 gene are distinct. હવે ઓટોપોલીપ્લોઇડી છે એની અંદર ઓટોટ્રિપ્લોઇડ અને ઓટોટેટ્રાપ્લોઇડ આવે છે. ઓટોટ્રિપ્લોઇડની અંદર બનાના, વોટરમેલન અને સુગર બીટાનું એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. અને ઓટાટેટ્રોપ્લોઇડ જેમાં 4 કોપીસ ક્રોમોઝોમની હોય, 4 કોપી ક્રોમોઝોમની હોય તો ઓટોટેટ્રાપ્લોઇડ એનું એક્ઝામ્પલ છે ગ્રાસેસ એન્ડ પોટેટો. અને ઓટોટ્રિપ્લોઇડ છે એનું એક્ઝામ્પલ છે બનાના, સુગર કેન અને એપલ, એમાં હેવિંગ 3 સેટ ઓફ હોમોલોગસ ક્રોમોઝોમ. એના પછી નેક્સ્ટ છે ટ્રાઇપ્લોઇડી. ધેર આર 3 સેટ ઓફ ક્રોમોઝોમ. ટેટ્રાપ્લોઇડી 4 સેટ ઓફ ક્રોમોઝોમ. પેન્ટાપ્લોઇડી એમાં 5 સેટ ઓફ ક્રોમોઝોમ. નેક્સ્ટ છે એનુપ્લોઇડી. અ લોસ ઓફ ગેન ઓફ 1 or few ક્રોમોઝોમ ઇઝ નોન એઝ એનુપ્લોઇડી. એમાં સૌથી પહેલું છે મોનોઝોમિક. મોનોઝોમિક મીન્સ અ લોસ ઓફ 1 ક્રોમોઝોમ is known as monozomic. 2n is equal 2n minus 1, while double monozomic is equal to 2n minus 1 minus 1. એના પછી ત્રીજું છે નલિઝોમિક. when 2n minus 2 is known as nullizomic, while 2 presence of nullizomic means absence of chromosome pair from a diploid set is known as nullizomic. એના પછી ટ્રાઇઝોમિક. a present of 1 extra chromosome 2n plus 1. double trisomic when 2 different extra chromosomes 2n plus 1 plus 1. or tetrasomic means 2n double trisomic, and tetrasomic means 2n plus 2, 1 extra pair of homologous chromosome. next છે ક્રીડુ ચાર્ટ symptom caused due to deletion of short arm of chromosome number 5. Down syndrome is the trisomy of chromosome number 21, and it is known as Mengolism. Pinocytosis is the process by which liquid droplets are ingested by living cell. Phagocytosis is the digestion of intercellular substance and foreign particles. The important function of nucleus are the formation of ribosome and synthesis of RNA. Chromosome can be counted in a metaphase. Chromosome shape observed in anaphase. Telophase and G1 phase nuclei contain half chromosome amount of DNA and found in prophase. Telophase and G1 phase nuclei contain only half of 2 chromosome amount of DNA found in prophase. G2 phase and metaphase cell contain 4 chromosome DNA, and thus each of 4 daughter nuclei just produced by meiotic division has only 4 chromosome, 1 chromosome DNA. Then centromere contain high repetitive DNA. It is called satellite DNA or set DNA. It may be noted that set DNA is not related to set chromosome. Folded fiber chromosome model. Folded fiber chromosome model was proposed by Du Praven in 1965. Nucleosome is a solenoid model of chromosome was proposed by Kornberg and Thomas in 1974, and it is universally accepted. Nucleosome solenoid model of chromosome proposed by Kornberg and Thomas. The lamp brush chromosome are found in O type of many invertebrate and all vertebrate except mammals. These chromosomes are most distinctly observed during prolonged diploting stage of oocyte. Next, giant chromosome found in salivary gland. Giant chromosome found in salivary gland of larva were first observed by Balbini in 1881. It is known as polytene chromosome. These chromosomes are cable-like in structure and with many DNA strands. Polytene. A puff are the site of RNA synthesis in polytene chromosome. S phase, a DNA replication takes place in S phase. Interphase is the longest phase and anaphase is the shortest or smallest phase. Then next, meiosis is known as reductional division, segregation division or heterophytic division. Then S phase occur only once in entire process of meiosis. During S phase, 99 in S phase 99.7 of the total DNA synthesis take place during zygoting stage. એટલે એસ ફેઝ છે એની અંદર મિયોસિસની આખી પ્રોસેસ થાય છે. ધ એસ ફેઝ અકર ઓનલી વન્સ ઇન એન્ટાયર પ્રોસેસ ઓફ મિયોસિસ and during S phase 99.7% of total DNA 99% S phase ની અંદર થાય છે. The segregation and recombination take place during meiosis. The separating of chromosome are attached at some point. These points are called chiasmata, and these chiasmata are terminalized toward the end of diplotin. Domino and cloak theory is related to cell division. All test cross and back cross. All test cross are back cross, but all back cross are not test cross. Factor term used by Mendel and gene term coined by Johansson. Genetic, character, epistasis, homeostasis and hypostasis. આ બધા ટર્મ છે એ બેટ્સને આપ્યા છે. જેનેટિક કેરેક્ટર, એપિસ્ટેટિસ, હાઇપોસ્ટેટિસ અને હોમિયોસિસ આર given by Batson in 1907. Mendel results were published in the Proceeding of Natural History Society of Brunn in 1866 in German language. The title of Mendel paper was Experiments in Plant. Mendel could not prove his result on hawkweed, which is facultative apomix, and honeybees having haploid males. Then Mendel worked with hawkweed on advice of Nageli. Epistatis, the interaction of gene at two different loci. Epistatis is the interaction of gene at different loci that affect the same character, is known as intergenic or intra-allelic interaction. Then dominance, the interaction of two alleles of the same gene, it is called dominance, and it is also known as intragenic or intralocus gene interaction. Pleiotropy, when gene influence the expression of more than one character. When gene influence expression of more than one character, then it is pleiotropy. Repulsion phase is the linkage between two or more either dominant or recessive allele. Complete linkage is the linkage with crossing over is absent, and it is also known as absolute linkage. Example, Drosophila male and female silk moth. Complete linkage is the complete linkage in which crossing over is absent, and it is known as absolute linkage. Example, Drosophila male and female silk moth. Hayden used the term cis and trans for coupling and repulsion phase. The term linkage group was coined by Morgan. It is referred to group of genes which are present in one chromosome. Example, 7 character in pea plant. Then next, crossing over, interchange part between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome during meiotic prophase is known as chitin. એટલે કાઇટીની અંદર ક્રોસિંગ ઓવર થાય છે. Then crossing over term was first used by Morgan and Cattell in 1912. It is universally accepted that crossing over takes place at 4 standard stage. A value of crossover and recommended may be vary from 0 to 50%. એટલે 0 means complete linkage and 50% means independent assortment. Then next, chismata. The point of action of segment between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome during meiotic process is known as chismata. A range of linkage is 50 to 60%. Chismata terminalization was observed by Darlington. A chismata type theory of crossing over was proposed by Johnson in 1909. A copy choice theory of crossing over is proposed by Belling. નેક્સ્ટ છે ઇન્ટરફેરન્સ. The tendency of one crossover to reduce the chance of another crossover. Interference is the tendency of one crossover to reduce the chance of another crossover in adjacent region is known as positive interference. The negative interference is the tendency of crossover enhance the chance of another crossover at its adjacent region is known as negative crossover. Coincidence is the percentage ratio of observed double crossing over to the accepted double crossover. The extent of interference is the customarily measured by coefficient of coincidence. Coefficient of coincidence is equal to observed frequency of double crossing over and expected frequency of double crossing over is coincidence. First cytological proof of crossing over provided by Stern, Kurt Stern in Drosophila in 1931. Double crossing over was first reported by Sturtevant, a map unit. It is called centrimorgan. 1 centrimorgan is equal to 1 map unit is equal to 0.001 Morgan. Sex linkage, sex limited term were first used by Morgan. A genetic balance theory of sex determination was proposed by Bridge in Drosophila. Criss-cross inheritance was coined by Bridge. બ્રિજે બે વસ્તુ કરી. પહેલું છે સેક્સ ડેટર્મિનેશન ઇન ડ્રોસોફિલા અને ક્રિસ ક્રોસ ઇનહેરિટન્સ ઇન હ્યુમન. ક્રિસ ક્રોસ ઇનહેરિટન્સ is the inheritance of sex-linked gene from grandfather to grandson through daughter. Bare body was first discovered by Murray Barr in nervous cell of cat. A number of bar body was first discovered by Murray Barr in nervous cell of cat. A number of bar body in female cell is always one less than number of X chromosome. Bar body is also known as chromatin. Then Holindrick gene is present on Y chromosome. Sex limited expressed in only one sex. Sex influence is the expression depend on sex of individual and sex link character is known in men, color blindness and hemophilia. And Drosophila white-eyed and vermilion eyes is the example of sex link character. The best example of sex influence character is the pattern of baldness in human. Sex limited trait is the example of breast development in woman and beard in male. Klinefelter syndrome is 47 chromosome, 44 autosome plus XXY અને ટર્નર સિન્ડ્રોમમાં 45 ક્રોમોઝોમ હોય, 44 ઓટોઝોમ અને 1 ક્રોમોઝોમ. Then cytoplasmic inheritance was first reported in Correns. Cytoplasmic inheritance was first reported by Correns in Miabilis gelapa for leaf color. Hybrid, a hybrid derived from a fusion of cytoplasm of one parent and protoplasm of another parent and contain nuclear from one parent but cytoplasm from both the parent. Hybrid term was first used by Bunn. Cytoplasmic male sterility in maize governed by mitochondrial DNA. A paramecium inheritance of kappa particle is the example of inheritance involving infective particle, multiple allele, more than two allele of single gene. Exon is the coding sequence of DNA, intron is the non-coding sequence of DNA, cistron the largest element within gene, which is the unit of function. Mutant is the smallest element within gene, which can give rise to mutant phenotype. Then recon is the region within gene between two recombination can occur, but the recombination cannot occur within recon. ABO blood group is the example of multiple allele. ABO blood group were first discovered by Landsteiner. Benzer gave three subdivisions of gene: cistron, mutant, and recon. Removal of intron is known as gene splicing. Nucleoside is equal to deoxyribose sugar plus nitrogenous base. Nucleoside is equal to deoxyribose sugar plus nitrogenous base plus phosphate. Pyrimidine of three type: thymine, cytosine, and uracil. Pyrimidine is a single ring structure. In DNA, adenine and thymine are joined by double hydrogen bond. A is double bond with T. In DNA, guanine and cytosine joined by triple hydrogen bond. G is triple bond with C. Double-stranded DNA usually B form, and while double-stranded RNA usually form A form of DNA. A plus G is equal to T plus C. Frankel, Conrad and Singer first reported that tobacco mosaic virus એમાં RNA is genetic material. Messenger RNA is also known as template RNA. Transfer RNA or tRNA is also known as soluble RNA. Transformation, the genetic recombination in which neck DNA from the whole cell can enter and integrated to another cell is known as transformation, and a transduction, the genetic recombination in bacteria in which DNA is transferred from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell via bacteriophage is transduction. A transduction was first discovered by Ginder and Lederberg in bacteria. The most accepted mechanism for DNA replication is semi-conservative mechanism. The concept of semi-conservative theory was first given by Watson and Crick, but it was first described by Matthew Meselson and Franklin in 1958. Leading strand and continuous strand is the strand extend from 5 to 3 direction, and discontinuous or lagging strand is 3 to 5 direction. Lagging strand may originate simultaneously from the many origin, form a small fragment, and this fragment is known as Okazaki fragment. Transcription is the process of synthesis of DNA on RNA template. Translation is the process of protein synthesis from mRNA. DNA માંથી RNA બને તો એને ટ્રાન્સક્રિપ્શન કહેવાય, અને RNA માંથી પ્રોટીન બને તો ટ્રાન્સલેશન. એના પછી કોન્સેપ્ટ છે રિવર્સ ટ્રાન્સક્રિપ્શન is the reversible process, while translation is the irreversible process. Reverse transcription, the process of DNA from RNA in the presence of DNA polymerase, એને reverse transcription કહેવાય. Reverse transcription was reported by Temin and Baltimore. Reverse transcription also known as teleminism. Then all transcription process occur in nucleus only, and triple code was suggested by Gamow in 1954. Triplet code is represent 4 is to power of 3. Then 64 total codon છે, એમાં 61 out of 64 possible triplet code encode 20 amino acid. AUG methionine ને કોડ કરે. It is started codon in eukaryotes. N4 methionine started codon in prokaryotes. 3 codon છે UAA, UAG અને UGA not represent amino acid, અને એ સ્ટોપ કોડોન કહેવાય, જે ટ્રાન્સલેશનને ટર્મિનેટ એટલે કે સ્ટોપ કરે. Change in the universal genetic code are more commonly found in microbial genome. Various change in nuclear genome is usually affect on terminator codon. Next છે plant breeding. 700 BC, Babylonians and Assyrians pollinated date palm artificially. Thomas Fairchild produced first artificial hybrid, popularly known as Fairchild Mule, using carnation and sweet William. Next, name of the scientist and his contribution: Allard and Bredesov, gene into environment interaction. Recurrent selection of SCA by Hull. Recurrent selection for GCA by Jenkins. Dominance hypothesis by Davenport. Gene for gene hypothesis by Floor. Pure line concept by Johansson. Back-cross method by Harlan and Pope. Double cross technique by Jones. Cytoplasmic genetic male sterility by Jones and Davis. Ear row method by Hopkins. Colchicine by Blaxley and Nobel. Then single seed descent method by Golden. Then self incompatibility by Lewis. Vertifolia effect by Vanderplanck. Center of diversity and homologous series of variation by Wavilo. Progeny test by Vilmorin. Triticale by Rimpu. Mutation by Hugo de Veris. Saprophytic system of self-incompatibility Hughes and Babcock. Bulk method by Nielsen and Ehle. Raphenobrassica by Carpencheco. Heterosis by Shull. Then next છે male sterility. Jones and Davis. Father of hybrid rice. Yong Lang Ping. Mechanism of insect resistance by Painter. Then next, multi-line concept given by Jensen. Green Revolution in India by M.S. Swaminathan. Semi-dwarf variety at International Rice Research Institute, T.T. Chang. Forage breeder Burto. Forage breeder Jenkin. પછી હાર્ટવિક છે સોયાબીન બ્રીડર. વેંકટરામન શુગર કેન બ્રીડર. વીટ બ્રીડર બીપી પાલ. ફેમસ પોટેટો બ્રીડર પુષ્કરનાથ. સોરગમ બ્રીડર એનજીપી રાવ. રાઈસ બ્રીડર રામાઈ. ધેન વીટ બ્રીડર રામધન સિંહ. ધેન પર્લ મિલેટ બ્રીડર અથવાલ. મેઇસ બ્રીડર બોસીસેન. ઓઇલ સીડ બ્રીડર ધરમપાલ સિંહ. કોટન બ્રીડર સીટી પટેલ અને કોટન બ્રીજનમાં સંથાનામ. ધેન સીમોઇડ. Consider plant breeding as current phase of crop evaluation. Next, domestication is the process of bringing wild cultivar in human management, and it is considered as basic and first method of any plant breeding program. Selection is the considered as second basic step of domestication, which desirable plant are selected and necessary based on phenotype. Germplasm is the sum of total heredity material and also known as genetic resources. Then gene pool concept was developed by Harlan and DeWitt. Primary gene pool GP1 is fully compatible cross found. Secondary gene pool a partially compatible cross found. Then tertiary gene pool completely incompatible crossing is found. And next, quaternary gene pool when gene ID is taken from species of another plant. Example BT gene. Then next, genetic erosion is more frequent in gene bank of tropical region as a seed drying is the major problem in such region. Sonaro 64 and Lerma Rojo wheat variety are example of primary introduction. Harbhajan Singh is the famous Indian explorer. Then Wavilo postulated the law of homologous series in variation. Then Wavilo proposed 8 center: China, Hindustan, Central Asia, then Asia Minor, પછી મેડિટેરિયન રીજન, અબાઇસિનિયા, સેન્ટ્રલ અમેરિકા અને સાઉથ અમેરિકા. ટોટલ 8 રિજનમાં ડિવાઇડ કર્યું. Later in 1935, Wavilo divided Hindustan Center into Indo-Burma and same Malaya, Java, and South America into three parts, namely Peru, Chile, and Brazil, Paraguay. Next છે NBPGR was established in 1976 under ICR. At present 8 regional stations, while in Bhowali, UP, then Hyderabad, જોધપુર રાજસ્થાન, શિલોંગ, પછી મોસ્ટ રિસેન્ટ સેન્ટર છે શિલોંગ છે, એના પછી શિમલા હિમાચલ પ્રદેશ, થ્રીસુર અને શ્રીનગર, એટલા સેન્ટર એનબીપીજીઆરના અંદર સેન્ટર છે, 8 રિજનલ સેન્ટર. એના પછી sexuality in plant was first reported by Jacob in Camerarius. Father of plant embryology is C.F. Wolf, also term એપિજેનેસિસ એણે આપ્યો છે. એના પછી નેક્સ્ટ છે ફાધર ઓફ ઇન્ડિયન એમ્બ્રિયોલોજી ઇઝ ડોક્ટર પી મહેશ્વરી, વર્ક ઇન દિલ્હી યુનિવર્સિટી. ફર્સ્ટ પોલન ગ્રેન વોઝ સીન બાય જીબી અમીસી ઇન પ્રોટુલેકા પ્લાન્ટ. લોંગેસ્ટ પોલન ટ્યુબ જીયા મેઇસ. પોલન ટ્યુબ એન્ટર થ્રો micropyle stage, micropyle organ. Then ploidy level of male gametocyte 2n, except endoplasm it have 3n. Megaspore is the first cell of female gametophyte. Egg apparatus એમાં 2 synergy set plus 1 egg cell. egg apparatus માં 2 synergy cell હોય અને 1 egg cell હોય. A mature ovule have 2 polar nuclear, 2 synergy cell, 1 egg cell and 3 antipodal cell. Then all female gametophyte are haploid except polar nuclear n plus n. Polar nuclear માં n plus n condition હોય છે. Then semigamy, a male nucleus enter into egg but does not fuse with it, is known as semigamy. Often cross pollinated or alloautogamy occur when cross pollination is more than 5% and less than 30%. એક્ઝામ્પલ છે સનફ્લાવરની પણ સોરગમ, સેફ્લાવર, કોટન, પિજન પી અને ટોબેકો. સોરગમ, કોટન, ટોબેકો, then pigeon pea and safflower. Next છે dioicy, a male and female organ on different plant. Example papaya, date palm, asparagus, spinach. Protogyny condition, female part mature first. Example છે પર્ન મિલેટ, અંજીર અને એપલ, જેમાં પ્રોટોગાયની કન્ડિશન હોય છે. પ્રોટેન્ડરી કન્ડિશન, મેલ પાર્ટ મેચ્યોર ફર્સ્ટ. એક્ઝામ્પલ છે મેઇઝ અને સુગર બીટ. હર્કોગ્રામી, મોર્ફોલોજિકલ બેરિયર ફાઉન્ડ બિટવીન સ્ટિગ્મા એન્ડ એન્થર. એનેમોફિલી, વેન ક્રોસ પોલિનેશન અકર બાય એર. ધેન ઝુઓફિલસ or zoophilus when cross pollinated occur by animal. Then ornithophily by bird. Cryptophily, pollination by bat. Then phoenophily by snake. Then myrmecophily by termite and ant. And melecophily by snail. The prevention of fusion of fertile male and female gamete after self-pollination. Self-incompatibility is an outbreeding device. In pin, long style અને short stamen, and in thrum, short style and long stamen, and the style S allele show codominance. So the pollination will possible between thrum into pin, SS, capital S small s into small s, or pin into thrum, small s into capital S capital S. In monofactorial system, there are 3 type of mating: fully incompatible, S1 S2 into S1 S2, fully compatible, S1 S2 into S3 S4, and partially compactile 50%, S1 S2 into S1 S3 અથવા તો S1 S2 into S2 S3. Apomixis, a development of seed without fertilization. Facultative apomixis is more common than obligate one. A hybrid is the progeny of cross between 2 facultative apomixis. A male sterility, a condition in which either pollen is absent or non-functional. Cytoplasmic male sterility is the result of mutation of mitochondrial DNA due to its dysfunction. Cytoplasmic male sterility is a 2-tier system in which A line is a male sterile line and B line is main mental line is used. B line is always heterogeneous male sterile. Pollen sterility is governed by both cytoplasmic and nuclear gene. CGMS in which there are three tier system in which R line, which restore line, and male fertility line. It is also addition to A and B lines. Then ethidium bromide, a potent mutagen for cytoplasmic gene. First time Burton and Hanna induced cytoplasmic male sterility in bajra by ethidium bromide. Full sibling mating is the mating between brother and sister. Half sibling mating is the mating between brother and step sister. Then frequency percentage of capital A or small a is equal to 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 is the frequency percentage of two homozygous allele. While for heterozygal alleles ની frequency છે 2 upon 2 plus 1 અથવા તો 1 upon 2n is the frequency of heterozygous allele. Emasculation is done to prevent selfing. Bagging is done to prevent outcrossing. Next, combination breeding is the transfer of one or more character into single variety. Transgressive breeding aim to improving yield and the contributing character through the transgressive segregation. A cross between two species and genera is known as distinct hybridization. A type of hybridization, first intervarietal hybridization अथवा interspecific hybridization, a cross between two variety of same species. Then interspecific or intrageneric hybridization, a cross between different species of same genera. Then intergeneric hybridization, a cross between two different genera. A development of new variety takes 7 to 8 years. Effect of hybridization, the frequency of heterogeneous in population. The frequency of heterogeneous in population is 1 plus 2m minus 1 ની પાવર છે n. Then type of gamete or type of gene segregating is n. A type of gamete produced in F1 is 2 to the power n. A number of different genotype in F2 2 to the power 3. Smallest perfect population in F2 is 4 is to power n. The number of phenotype in F2 full dominance is 2 into n. Then 2 to the power n. Number of phenotype in F2 incomplete or no dominance is 3 to the power n. The number of complete homozygous or genotype 2 to the power n. Test cross progeny genotype 2 to the power n. Then mass selection may be used for both self-pollinated and often cross-pollinated. Mass selection variety of selection is more successful in the case of easily observable character, and generally progeny test is not suitable or not subjected to mass selection method. Oldest method of crop improvement is plant introduction. The genetic variation in pure line may be arised due to mechanical mixture, mutation, outcrossing. A purity of existing pure line variety can be maintained by regular mass selection. A differential rate of reproduction is selection. A maximum variability found in F2 generation. Wilmorin practice individual plant selection in sugar beet to improve sugar content. Then a selection provides an opportunity to isolate most desirable genotype from heterogeneous population. Next is a pure line. A pure line is a homogeneous and homozygous. A progeny of single plant obtained by asexual reproduction is known as clone. Then genetic variation in clone, it is due to bud mutation, mechanical mixture or occasional sexual reproduction. A record of ancestry of an individual progeny is pedigree. Bulk breeding method is known as mass or population method. A crossing of F1 from its either parent is known as back cross. A crossing of F1 either from its recessive parent is known as test cross. Back cross improve one or two character into well adapted variety, particularly disease resistant. Reselection generation after generation is known as recurrent selection. Base material for recurrent selection is open pollinated variety. Simple recurrence selection based on phenotype. Recurrent selection of GCA is heterozygous tester. Recurrent selection for SCA is homozygous tester. End product of recurrent selection is inbreed. Three method handled segregation is pedigree, bulk and back cross. Single descent method was given by Golden. A main weakness of plant loss is single seed descent method. Evolutionary method of breeding is bulk method. Modified method of bulk method is SSD. In pedigree breeding, F8 homozygous plant is known as strain. Then in back cross, two type of parent donor donate desirable character which use only once. Then next is recipient parent is receive desirable character which use repetitively. Back cross method is used to rectify specific defect in well adopted variety. Then mixture of several pure line inbreed line which similar in height, flowering and agronomic character but different in gene resistance. Yield prediction and reconstitution possible in synthetic variety. Synthetic and cross-pollinated variety most relevant to cross-pollinated crop. An allopolyploid which raised by combining genome of two diploid species is amphidiploid. Triticale developed from crossing of wheat into rye. Raphanobrassica developed by radish and cabbage. Apomixis, seed and embryo are formed without fertilization. Asexual reproduction, it is due to reduced flowering and seed set. Non-flowering, avoid inbreeding depression. Then apomixis, asexual reproduction found in potato, sugarcane, banana and citrus. Then next, heterosis, a superiority of F1 over its parent in the term of vigor yield adaptation and only vegetative growth હોય તેને luxuriance કહેવાય છે. Heterobeltosis, superiority of F1 over better parent. Then heterobeltosis, the hybrid variety is superior to mid parent value is relative heterosis. A heterosis estimate the economic value is known as economic heterosis. Mating between two closely related individuals is inbreeding. Inbreeding depression, decrease of vigor and viability further generation. Then fixation of heterosis by first asexual reproduction, apomixis, balanced lethal system and polyploidy. A type of crosses પેલું છે સિંગલ ક્રોસેસ A into B, ડબલ ક્રોસ A into B into D into C, 3-way ક્રોસ A into B અને into C અને ટોપ ક્રોસ inbreed line into open pollinated variety. When cross between inbreed line and open pollinated variety, then it is top cross. Emasculation is the removal of male part from the bisexual flower. Pollination is the dusting of desirable pollen on female flower. Male sterility, the absence of functional pollen and presence of non-functional pollen grain is known as male sterility. The SI, self-incompatibility, it is due to different in flower morphology, then it is known as heteromorphic flower, while self-incompatibility is no difference in morphology than homomorphic flower. A line is male sterile line, B line is male fertile line and maintenance line, while R line is restored line. મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી ચાર ટાઈપની છે, જેનેટિક મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી, સાઇટોપ્લાઝમિક મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી, સાઇટોપ્લાઝમિક જેનેટિક મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી અને કેમિકલ ઇન્ડ્યુસ મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી. Chemical induce not depend upon the type of crop species. Cytoplasmic mainly used for vegetative propagative crop because sterile cytoplasm from female. Cytoplasmic mainly use vegetative propagate crop because sterile cytoplasma come from female. TIFT 23A is the male sterile line of bajra. Combined Kafir 60 is the male sterile line of sorghum. Greg 399 is the male sterile line of cotton. The cross between genetically dissimilar genotype is known as hybridization. Then a true breeding is developed. A true breeding is developed by inbred line, the line which is homozygous due to continuous selfing. A detasseling is the removal of tassel operation carried out in maize. Isogenic line means two line of different for single locus. A two line different for single locus is known as isogenic line. Next છે Xenia effect. A Xenia effect, a effect of pollen on endosperm expression. Metaxenia, effect of pollen on seed coat color. Pleiotropy, a single gene affect more than one character. Parthenocarpy, embryo originated from unfertilized egg. Declining, a flower are either staminate or pistillate. Dichogamy, a male flower, a male and female of a flower matured at different time is known as dichogamy. Drosophila plant, maize ને Drosophila plant કહેવાય છે. Most commonly hybridization in a crop is improved is intraspecific hybridization. Most commonly hybridization in crop improvement is intraspecific hybridization. Male sterility and self-incompatibility induce cross-pollination. Fresh seed is required to produce every year in hybrid variety. The fundamental law of population genetics was developed by Hardy and Weinberg. And the gene and genotype frequently constant generation after generation. A population to which have equal chance for mating to each other is known as random mating. The sudden heritable change in phenotype and genotype is known as mutation. A mutation induced by physical or chemical is known as induced mutation. Mutation occur in nature very rare, 10 to 6. A type of distinct hybridization is interspecific and intergeneric hybridization. Intrageneric hybridization give rise to type of hybrid is fully fertile, fully sterile and partially sterile. The first intergeneric cross is between wheat into rye is by Rimpu, a method of crop improvement which used to increase genetic yield potential through genetic manipulation of specific plant trait is idiotype breeding. Which of the following is the cheapest and best method of stress resistance is genetic resistance. An ability of some genotype give higher yield as compared to a susceptible variety at the same level of infection is genetic resistance. A mechanism of crop plant which cause adverse insect pest on feeding, growth and even reproduction is antibiosis. A genetic resistance governed by one or few genes is known as specific resistance. A genetic resistance provides protection against all race of pathogen is known as horizontal resistance. Under moisture stress condition, plant having ability to maintain internal water balance it causes drought avoidance. Plant withdraw against low tissue water content is known as drought tolerance. The property which result from brain of person idea product process which can be used in commercial purpose is intellectual property. The right associate with thing with unique features and known as sui genetic rights. Sui genetic rights include which of the following is plant breeding right. A plant breeding right is known as plant varietal right. A period of protection of field crop under PPV and FRA is 15 years. The period of protection of horticulture crop under PPV and VR is 18 years. A basic requirement of protection of plant variety under PPV are that are novelty, distinctness, uniformity and stability. Father of tissue culture, Haberland. Micropropagation technique was first devised for orchid. The anther culture, Maheshwari and Guha. Anther culture given by Maheshwari and Guha. Polymerase chain reaction given by Carl Mullis. First bacterial genome sequence is Haemophilus species. First plant sequence is Arabidopsis thaliana. First plant sequence is rice. First transgenic develop is tobacco. First transgenic crop plant is flower shower. Global transgenic cover mainly 6 crops: soybean, corn, cotton, canola, papaya, and squash. In India, only transgenic crop cultivated commercially is cotton. Surface sterilization by sodium hydrochloride and mercury chloride. Then transferring of tissue to fresh media after stipulated time, subculturing after every 4 to 6 weeks. Cell without cell wall is known as protoplast. A capability of isolate gene cell, a capability of isolate single cell to multiply and differentiate into multicellular organism. In vitro multiplication of plant from small tissue explant is micropropagation. In vitro means in laboratory, in vivo means in organism. A technique that separates charged molecule on relatively migration in appropriate matrix is known as electrophoresis. A technique uses electrical discharge to produce spore in the cell membrane. A technique used to electric discharge to produce spore in the cell membrane to intake recombination DNA is known as electroporation. A process of formation of somatic embryo from callus is embryogenesis. A heritage change in cell brought about uptake and establishment of introduced DNA is genetic transformation. GMO is genetically modified organism. A movable genetic element is jumping gene. Agrobacterium is called natural genetic engineer. Isolating a gene and a process of production of identical cropping of identical copy by genetic engineering is called gene cloning. Isolating a gene and a process of production of identical copy by genetic engineering is gene cloning. A recombination of two pieces of DNA from two different species, a recombinant DNA technology એને કહેવાય છે. A group of gene or clone DNA fragment is gene bank. Use bacterial enzyme for in vitro amplification of DNA, PCR technology. A sequence of base at a unique physical location in genome is marker. It involves the fusion of normal protoplast of one species with inactivate nucleus of another species is hybrid. Then next, DNA synthesis enzyme required specially for replication is DNA replicase. A molecular scissor used in genetic engineering is restricted endonuclease. Excise fragment of tissue or organ used to start tissue culture is explant. A map of genome showing relative position of gene and marker on chromosome is genetic map. Combining two or more major genes is gene pyramiding. A science of identifying sequence of DNA spacing is genomics. Random collection of clone fragment in a vector that ideally include all genetic information of that species is gene library. A group of adjacent genes that are identical is known as gene cluster. A distance between two genes that recombinate with frequency of 1%. A transgenic plant are genetically modified organism. Virus that live in bacteria is bacteriophage. A codon is a triplet sequence found in mRNA which code for single amino acid. Thank you.